back in 2015, when I started talking about climate change or sustainability, it wasn't even a conversation that people were too much aware about. In fact, 2006-07 was the first time when climate change came into public discourse. नया था. अब तो everybody is talking about climate change. At least people I have met with, right? But pockets सब जगह होते हैं. There are people who will say कि this is all hoax, and there are people who will understand it, but will also say कि this is way too big for me to worry about. Three kind of people, right? One who understand it and are doing their bit. They say that I have a bit to play in it and I will do my bit as much as I can. Some people will understand it, but think that it is way too much for me, too depressing, like going into climate anxiety mode. I can't handle this. Let me forget about it. Right now, my life is not impacted. And the denials, right? People who think that this is just all. And yes, there have been moments where I've been very frustrated कि ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हैं, right? How can they behave like this, or how can somebody do that? But that behavior or that reaction from my end will not lead to any change. Because you've lived that experience, you sometimes also become very preachy. And I realize that shuts people off. And once you've shut a person, nothing will go through that person. So what I've realized is that finding the common ground works. And then talking about something, like talking about small things, talking about small change. Realizing that everyone is coming from their space of truth. And everyone is allowed their own space of truth. And what we are seeing, what we are facing, we can just show them. I remember somebody telling me कि आप तो ऑर्गेनिक में कोई केमिकल ही नहीं डालते हो, तो फिर ऑर्गेनिक महंगा क्यों होता है? हम लोग तो महंगा बेचते ही नहीं anyway, so we sell at the same price as not. It's like good question. There is a lot of ignorance in many ways, and you don't ridicule it. You don't react to that person in a way because they're coming from their space of truth and it's fine. So you just then talk to them after that.